Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to use the Window Energy Profiler by EDTM. Now you say, Jeff, what the heck is that and where can I get one? I'll put the link down below so you can check it out. So this is a tool that we use as professionals in our industry to help us determine what kind of a glass maybe exists on a current home so we can evaluate that and select the windows that are going to match appropriately if someone's expanding. I also have a video I made about another tool that actually is called the Glass Checker. I'll put a link to that down below and up here where you can check that out. It's also a tool that you might have in your arsenal if you're exploring windows and wanting to learn more about this industry. So in this tool, you're going to see that it tells us the ultraviolet light that's coming through as a percentage. The amount of visible light means, how much can we see? How much are we going to lose when we put in a window? How much light are we going to lose? How much infrared is coming through? And then what is our solar heat gain coefficient? So I'm going to check this out. I'm going to show you some options here. So people, first of all, say all the time, Jeff, how much light am I going to lose? Well, just so you know, even a single pane window with no coatings on it whatsoever is actually only letting through about 73% of the amount of light that the sun is producing into your house. So you've already started with a somewhat of a deficiency for light coming in, but as you put double pane, you're going to lose some more light. As you put more coatings, you're going to even lose more light. But I'm going to show you what the trade-offs are between coatings, efficiency, and the amount of light that comes in, and that's what we're going to do today. So in this example right here, I have a clear piece of glass with another clear piece of glass. This is double pane clear glass. I'm going to put it here, and we're going to see what it says. If you notice, it says that 55% of the ultraviolet light is coming through, but I'm getting almost 80% of the light from outdoors is coming through, which is actually really good. And then you can see that the infrared, 60% of the infrared rays, which is actually what heats up your house, by the way, is coming through, which means that my solar heat gain coefficient is a 0.75. The lower that number, the better this is at keeping the heat out of my house. Up here at the UV, you see 54%. UV is the rays that actually attack things, right? Like when you get skin cancer, when you get what you're trying to prevent if you're wearing sunscreen is the ultraviolet rays from doing damage to your skin. They also damage your floors, your furniture, your drapes, those sort of things in your house. Now, in most parts of the country, most companies are using two different glass packages. Let's call one gold and let's call the other one silver. And it's kind of pun intended, I'd say silver, because it's silver oxide that's applied. This has double coats of silver, low emissivity coating on this unit. So we're going to see the difference, okay? Watch how this does. So now that we put that on there, you notice ultraviolet went from over 50% to just 10% ultraviolet light coming through. Now we did lose some light, right? Because we're at 67% instead of 80. But look at the infrared. It's down to 9% infrared. Man, we are really stopping the heat from coming in. And our solar heat gain, which was at a 0.75, is now down to a 0.35. This is really exciting. I mean, this is a good way for you to save money on your light bill, to be more comfortable in your house, to protect your flooring, to protect your children, right? And you can see, however, that it does make a difference. This is a little darker than that, right? You have lost some amount of light for doing that. So this is 2 coats, double silver, 2 coats of low E. And you say, Jeff, well, what would happen if we go 3 coats of low E? Ooh. Okay, this is what we call 366 glass. This is 3 coats of low E. Okay, this is actually from Anlin. They call it Infinity. And we're going to see what this one looks like. Now we notice that the UV is down to 3%. Okay, it was at 10% on the last one. So man, we are crushing it on UV. Our light went down though. Look, we're at 59%. It's teetering between 59 and 60. So we have lost some more visible light there. And if you notice the infrared, look at that. I mean, that is bring home the money. 1% of the infrared is coming through. Baby, you are not going to get hot in this house. Only 1% of it's coming through. And that's why it has a solar heat gain coefficient of a 0.27. Remember, the lower the number, the better. Now, I should explain something. You're looking at this, you're saying, Jeff, wait a minute, solar heat gain of 0.27. I bought a window and the sticker said solar heat gain of 0.22. Yes, but when you think about it, how much of your window's glass and how much of it's frame? Well, what, 90% glass, 10% frame? The heat doesn't come through the frame like it comes through the glass. The UV doesn't come through the frame like it comes through the glass, right? So when you look at that sticker that says that your window has a solar heat gain of 0.22, the glass might be a 0.25 or a 0.26, but the overall unit, measured as an overall unit, is what got it to the 0.22. I thought I should clarify that in case you get confused. What do you think? Was this good? Yeah? Hey, you want to come by my showroom? I'll show you some more of this stuff. You're looking for a great window company? I'm in Houston, but if you're not in Houston, you're looking for a great window company, go to thewindowexperts.com. I have this big long list of great window companies all over the country. Maybe I can find someone near you that can help you with your project. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and tune in every week for a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.